Quick video on these multi-use labels. I got these labels for garage sale items. I like that they're removable and that they're a large enough size that I can put a little extra on them. And you get 525 of them, and they are 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch size. Now these are handwrite only, and if you take good care of the packaging, you can reuse the packaging so you don't have to find a different way to contain these. And so it does just pop open, and then you can take them out. And here's what they look like close up. They are just a matte paper, super simple and straightforward. And when you take them off, you really can just stick them wherever. And they are removable. So while these are super simple, they are extremely handy for specific situations. The Avery handwrite only multi-use labels.